In February 2026, Rostec State Corporation unveiled a groundbreaking 30mm programmable airburst ammunition designed specifically to dominate the skies against unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. This new round, already combat-proven on the elite Ka-52M Alligator attack helicopters, marks a decisive leap forward in Russian rotary-wing aviation. It transforms the proven 2A-42 cannon into a precision anti-drone weapon system, delivering unmatched cost-effectiveness, lethality, and operational flexibility. Russia once again demonstrates its engineering superiority and rapid adaptation to the realities of modern hybrid warfare, where swarming low-cost drones pose a serious threat. The Ka-52M represents the pinnacle of Russian attack helicopter design, a modernized evolution of the legendary Ka-52 Alligator that builds on decades of Kamov Bureau expertise in coaxial rotor technology. Unlike conventional helicopters with vulnerable tail rotors, the Ka-52M's contra-rotating coaxial main rotors provide exceptional maneuverability, hover stability, and high-speed performance without torque issues. This design grants the Alligator unmatched agility in nap-of-the-earth flight, rapid direction changes, and sustained operations in contested airspace. Powered by two powerful Klimov VK2500 turboshaft engines, each delivering up to 2,400 shp, the Ka-52M achieves a maximum speed of 300 km per hour, a cruising speed of 260 km per hour, and a service ceiling of 5,500 meters with a static ceiling of 4,000 meters. It can operate effectively in extreme conditions, from Arctic cold and icing to hot high-altitude environments, thanks to enhanced rotor blade heating and reinforced landing gear. Combat radius reaches approximately 460 to 480 kilometers, extendable with additional fuel tanks, allowing deep strikes and prolonged patrols without frequent refueling. What truly sets the Ka-52M apart is its advanced sensor suite and network-centric warfare integration. The helicopter features a state-of-the-art phased array radar, including the crossbow, millimeter wave system and possible B006 RESIC X-band FR, capable of detecting tank groups at 40 km and fighter aircraft at 50 km. The upgraded GOES-451M electro-optical turret provides thermal imaging and TV detection out to 20 km, with recognition ranges of 12 km TV and 8 km thermal. A new fire control system, SU-0806PM, and BKS-50M communication suite enable seamless data sharing with UAVs, ground forces, and other aircraft, turning the Ka-52M into a true battlefield command node. Survivability is exceptional. The armored cockpit withstands 12.7mm frontal fire and 7.62mm side impacts. The L-370 Weitbisk L-418 monoblock active protection system detects incoming missiles via ultraviolet sensors and jams both infrared and radar seekers with directional infrared countermeasures and decoys. The unique K-37 ejection system, which severs rotors and ejects the crew even from ground level, ensures crew safety in the most extreme scenarios. With up to 2,000 kilograms of external stores, the Ka-52M carries a devastating arsenal. Long-range LMUR, item 305 inches, fire and forget missiles, 14.5 to 25 kilometers range. Vikachar and Ataka anti-tank guided missiles, unguided rockets, and the side-mounted 30mm 2A-42 cannon with 470 rounds. These upgrades, refined through real-world combat experience, make the Ka-52M one of the most survivable, versatile, and lethal attack helicopters in service today, perfectly suited for escort duties, reconnaissance, and precision strikes while dominating drone-infested airspace. The star of this latest advancement is Rostec's programmable 30x165mm Airburst shrapnel round, engineered exclusively for the 2A-42 automatic cannon. Traditional 30mm ammunition relies on direct hits or proximity fuses that struggle against small, fast, and highly maneuverable UAVs and loitering munitions. The new round solves this elegantly through programmable airburst technology. Before firing, the helicopter's fire control system automatically calculates the optimal detonation point based on the target's speed, trajectory, altitude, and range. This data is transmitted to the round's fuse via an optical communication channel in the final milliseconds before launch. Upon firing, the shell detonates at the precise point in space, creating a dense, lethal cloud of high-velocity fragments that saturates the target's flight path. Even if the drone jinks or the initial aim is slightly off, the expanding shrapnel pattern ensures a high probability of kill without requiring a direct impact. The 2A42 cannon on the Ka-52M supports selectable rates of fire, 200 to 300 revolutions per minute low or 550 to 800 revolutions per minute high, and maintains effective engagement ranges of around 2 km against aerial targets, slant range up to 4 km. A short, controlled burst now generates a devastating fragmentation curtain that shreds composite airframes, propellers, electronics, and warheads of FPV kamikaze drones, commercial quadcopters, and larger loitering munitions. This capability is fully integrated into the Ka-52M's upgraded sighting and ballistic computers, requiring no major hardware changes, a testament to Russian design foresight. The economic edge is enormous. A single 30mm airburst round costs a fraction of a guided missile, yet achieves comparable or superior results against small UAVs. This allows Russian aviation to sustain high-tempo operations without depleting precision munitions stockpiles. The ammunition's compatibility extends beyond helicopters to BMP-2 IFVs, BMP-T Terminators, and other 2A42-equipped platforms, creating a layered, decentralized counter-UAV network across the entire Russian combined arms force. In summary, the integration of programmable 30mm airburst ammunition with the formidable Ka-52M Alligator helicopter represents a game-changing enhancement in Russia's aerial combat capabilities. It reaffirms Russia's technological edge, operational adaptability, and unwavering commitment to protecting its forces while delivering decisive firepower on the modern battlefield. As drone threats evolve, Russian innovation continues to stay several steps ahead, securing victory through superior engineering and proven battlefield performance.